Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. This is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to create another logo design using PixelLab, and this is a blink. I call it blink logo. I don't know, but I saw it on my mobile phone, so I decided to replicate this logo, and we're going to be using it for today's video tutorial. So let's get started. But before we proceed, don't forget that this is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video, and let others learn from our content too. Thank you, and let's get started. So first of all, I need to create a new workspace, right? Always do. Okay, and then I'm going to go and import my sketch. Then I'll go to my opacity, reduce the opacity. Now I'll go here and then lock it. I think that's it. Then after that, I will select my grid line and then make sure I align them with my grid lines where necessary. Then I'll start my vectorization where I'm going to pick my BEIZER and then check my magnet on and then set all the things that I need to do, like we always do all the time. So here, if you have been watching my video tutorial, you'll see that this is always what I do. So it's not a difficult thing to do. So this is why I create video tutorials most of the times like this, so because it gives you perfection. The more you practice, the more you get to know this. So it's no different thing that we are creating. So here I'm going to start vectorize. Just follow me up step by step and see how I do it, and then probably you can do the same. At the end of this video, I'm going to share the sketch of the logos that have sketched all this while, so that with this you can actually get to practice with them. Okay, thank you, and let's get started. So after this, now I'm going to go here and then reduce my stroke, and then I'm go and add my color, which is a white color, right? So here I think I have it. So this is how we got to this point. So after this, now I'm going to go here and then maybe I'll turn it invisible. Okay, then I will pick my pixel again and then max this star arc, whatever. Okay, at the end of the day, so this is what we got. Let me just see. And this is our sketch, and then this is the logo that we vectorize at the end of the day. So this is how to create any kind of logo on PixelLab. I've made tutorials, or a couple of tutorials, on how to get such vectors on PixelLab, and it's very easy. You can manipulate the same logo with shapes. Okay, probably on another video we can actually see how we can manipulate such logo like this using shape tool. So but on this video we can actually see that using Bezier tool we can actually achieve this. Okay, and the more time you give it, the more functional sketch you are going to get. Because if you look clearly on this, if you look very well on this logo, you're going to see that there are some points like this is not perfectly curved out, and then this makes the imperfection in the logo, right? So but I'm telling you that if you give it a little more time, you're going to get something better, like what I have, what I initially sketched here. Okay, initially vectorized. You see that this one is more perfect vectorized than this, so because I give it my time. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget that this is Create Visions and Pixel on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. And then don't forget to drop in the comment box. Let us know how our videos and our channels will help you develop your design skills as a designer. Thank you, and then see you on our next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.